So I just woke up and I figured I should film a day in my life once. And I didn't pick the most interesting time because it's quarantine time, just like many of you are in quarantine right now. I was living in London before and my life was a little bit more interesting, but we're gonna make the best of this video. I'm gonna show you a day in my life. I know I'm not very consistent with any videos, either on my Instagram or on my YouTube, that I do have, but I never post on. And consistency is the most important thing. I'm just not really good at it. But what I did want to try is make a video like once a week, maybe, and then post just once a week to try to be consistent. But to do so, I want you guys to tell me what I should post, what you want to see. Do you like what I eat in a day videos? Do you like my boyfriend does my makeup? I bet a lot of Santi's friends would find that funny. I'm not ready for the day yet. I just slept there. And this is my room. It's super messy, so I'm not gonna show you everything. Oh, my garden is looking so pretty right now. I also wanted to show you one thing. I'm not gonna promote Annabel too much on here, but I just wanted to show you two things that I found exciting. We got this necklace, and it just got launched on the website. And usually I combine this with like a big tee or a big sweater, and I just think it's really cute, and I wanted to mention it. And then I have one more necklace, kind of a preview because it's not online yet. It's this, and I think this is super cute. So this is where it connects, which is a coin. We can choose this side. We click on it, and then one of the things disconnects, and that's the way that you wear it around your neck. I would also wear this just with a big t-shirt, or even with a little tank top. Tia! This is what I'm wearing to have breakfast. So both these pieces are from Nasty Gal, and they're really soft and comfy, and I bought them for quarantine. I almost never shop online, and ever since I've been forced to stay inside, I've ordered, well, I didn't order that much, but I've been ordering online from Nasty Gal, and then I have a package coming from Brandy Melville. Oops. So I recently bought this type of headband thing, and I think it could look super cute. I just haven't figured out how exactly to wear it, but I've seen a lot of pictures on Instagram and Pinterest, and it looks super cute. So I'm gonna try to work that. I look weird. Oh, yeah. Anyways, I'm just gonna put a button. Hey. Wait, listen to me. I thought you would do the omelet. Okay, so he saw these omelets on TikTok, right? And you put a wrap. You can put a wrap in here, and then you pour some egg. And then what do you put inside the omelet? No, you guys will see. You first put the wrap and then you put the egg. You know? Ooh.
What? Let it go. White snowball.
What? Okay. Oh, you're not gonna jump it.
You're crazy? You think I can jump this shit?
Aw, he chose the boring way. Ooh, and some Tabasco. Thank you. Look at the chef going with the pepper. And he makes fun of me all the time when I make videos.
Bellissimo, che c'è, po'.
He's not Italian, by the way, he's Colombian. Finito. Doesn't even look that good, but it's pretty good. Oh, I love that one. My mom is a yoga queen.
Oh,
I was. I was.
This is crazy.
Let's take a shower. See you after. And I'm gonna use some of this hair mask. Honey infused hair mask by Gizu. Really, really freaking good. I've used it 3 times now, I think. And it says you should use it like 1 to 2 times a week, but I've kind of been using it for like 3 times a week. And then after showering, I also put their oil. Yeah. Are we eating that again? And this is the makeup look. What I basically wear every single day. This is what I'm wearing. So it's this cardigan, which is really cozy, and it's from Zara. And these pants that I got yesterday from Estiga. So yeah. That's the look for today. By the way, I have like no reason to even dress up. We're just gonna walk the dog. But usually, oh, I'm out of breath from the stairs. But usually, when I dress up, I feel way more productive. That's why we're dressing up today. Now we're gonna go and walk the dog. And I'll take you with me.
Hola.
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 So this is the look for today. I'm a little boy and thinks he is an English lord.
He is an English lord.
And in the meantime, I'm the Michelin man. Polar opposites. I'm an Englishman in New York. Bye. I'm filming a day in my life.
A day in your life?
Yes, I'm trying.
Oh, I love it. Thank you so much.
I will fix that sweater for you because
It's so sunny outside and empty. Look, because we're just walking the little dog, keeping distance, of course. But he needed to run a little because he's been inside all day too. So yeah, and he's a bit slow. Buddy, je zit toch vast? Ga dan doen. I'm just filming a little bit.
But you're never gonna do a post.
Yes, I am. Today, I really am. Today, I filmed my entire day. No, I like watching them, so maybe you guys will too. Just in Holland are so tiny. And I'm cheating today because I'm eating this. A very Dutch thing called een frikandelbroodje. So bad, it's so good. It's the end of the day. And for the night, we just watched the new season of Ozark, season 3, which is pretty good. Yeah, so we watched Ozark, the new season, and he's hungry. And then we went outside because we have a little cabin in the back of our garden, and we put a little fire and we sat there. So that was super nice. And now it is 1:30 a.m. Look. We have one for Amsterdam and one for Shanghai. It's cute, my parents did that to see what time it is where I am in Shanghai usually. Also, by the way, I got quite some questions about like NYU and like my university, how to get in, just basic questions also about university. So if you guys would like to see a video dedicated to university or NYU, I could do that. You can ask me anything about my university or NYU and I will answer those questions on YouTube or even on Instagram, or like both. Because if I were you, I would also like to know more. There weren't that many videos actually about NYU when I applied. So maybe that's interesting. It's 1:30 a.m. and they're super hungry. God knows why. My dad bought carrot cake. So I'm gonna cook them some carrot cake. Oh, this is so heavy for your arm. I don't know how people do this all day. Also, like, I don't know, just being in quarantine, my whole sleeping schedule is so fucked up now. So for the Dutch people, I really recommend also going to Kruidvat and getting vitamin C serum, rose water. It's all Kruidvat Originals collection. My mom makes commercials for them and she's been recommending me to try all these products. Hi guys, so yesterday when I was talking to you, my phone died. I wanted to say goodnight and I couldn't. So it's a new day, but thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to subscribe to my channel, you can do that below. If you have any questions, you can comment those below. You can send me a DM or anything. I'm gonna try to be consistent and upload like every week or so. I hope to do every week one video. That would be good. And next week I might upload a video from London because I did film a little bit in my vlogger attempt. So I have some footage that I can share with you next week about London. Oh yeah, so one thing that I totally forgot to mention, which is really important. Keep washing your hands. Do it with soap. Do it for 20 seconds and do it multiple times a day. Shout out to all the doctors and all the nurses and all the people working in elderly homes, all the people standing in the supermarkets, still providing us with food. Shout out to all of you that are still working and keeping our society alive and healthy. That's what I just wanted to say. So stay strong, stay safe. I hope you're with your loved ones and I love you. I hope I can give you some entertainment. I love you guys. And I'll see you on my Instagram. Bye.